Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. Today we are talking on Instagram gallery carousel. So basically we are going to implement this type of Instagram on the website. Like if you are going on website, you will see Instagram post like this that is being displaying here. As a social influencers, you can see these posts are like auto rotating posts of Instagrams, and you can also manually rotate it like here and like this. This feature is basically used by many apps. In through the apps you can do it, but here we will implement it with the help of code. And how we can implement it, we will just have a look on it. And for this, just like this, another web on another store, as you can see here, it is implemented. It's working very fine. Here it is. So this is the basically idea that how we will work on it and how we can implement it. This is a paid task. You can ask me and I can easily implement it on your websites too. But if you are looking for a solution, something related to this for your store, then you are most welcome. You can reach out to me. I will provide the email of mine in the description so you guys can follow up and get the help out to your store. So first of all, how would we can implement it on a store? Let's suppose we have this store already and we are going to implement it on it. We are going to implement on this somewhere here. Okay, we are going to implement it right after the banner slideshow. So for this you have to do is just go to your themes and then click on edit code. After clicking on edit code, you just need to create a new section just like this. In the section, click and give it the name custom HTML. So create section. When the section is created, you can simply copy and paste the code. I have already written the code here. Once you have this code, you can easily go to the store and the newly created section, paste it in here and click on save. Okay, custom HTML is saved now. And then you have to do this, that just go to themed or liquid and check for if there is any jQuery script is installed or not. Okay, we will place some codes here before the head tag ending. Before this head tag, we will include some codes here of jQuery and some scripts, some libraries of Slick as well. So just pasting it here. Here I have pasted the code. Click save. It's saved. Now you have to do this. Just go to online store. Click on customize. After clicking on customize, you can click add section. Here it is, home page custom HTML. That was the basically section we are going to create. In this, click on add section. It will be like this, add your text here. Another add section, another add section, another add section, and another add section, and another add section. So we have 6 sections here. Basically we have to make 5 because it will scroll. We will go on one Instagram post, and from the Instagram post we will take the embedded link, embedded code, click on copy embedded code, and then you will paste the code in the sections here. In all the sections, all the 6 sections. As you can see, there is a view right now there on the home page in the customizer. Okay, we'll click on save. Once it's saved, we'll take it to right after the home header, after the banner. Click on save. After saving, when we will refresh this store, as you can see, we have successfully implemented with the carousel of Instagram. You can add multiple posts as you like of Instagram in here. Then basically this is used for influencers on your Shopify. This one is a really great example of how to show the carousel with Instagram posts. So this was a nice tutorial. If you guys need help how to do the code on your store, you can email me, or you can also create your own store by following the link provided in the description. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.